work will strictly follow standardized procedures to complete the packaging operations of the RG-192 electric vehicle main reducer for small vans and micro trucks, strictly controlling protective standards throughout the process to ensure the safety of product storage and transportation. The packaging process. Seal the main reducer components in sealed bags to protect against dust and moisture and isolate external impurities. Wrap with protective bubble film to cushion external impacts and prevent bumps and scratches. 3. Place the product into a custom packaging box, ensuring it is neatly arranged and stable. 4. Place cardboard anti-collision pads inside the box to reduce the risk of collisions during transportation. 5. Securely fasten the box with cable ties to complete the entire sealing process. The entire packaging process is standardized and meticulous, with multiple layers of protection, fully ensuring that the RG-192 main reducer remains intact throughout storage and transportation, meeting the vehicle assembly delivery standards.